We'll now put the spring back into the barrel. Put our gloves on first, but if the spring lets go, you'll know all about it. Now, that's the lug. You can see there that the spring's going to be attached to. So, we start off with the hole in the spring back from the lug it's going into, and put one turn around in the barrel, making sure it doesn't jump out. And just keep turning the spring, and when you get to the end of the spring in the barrel, continue to wind on the inside of the spring. Hold it tight because it's going to let go if you don't. And then roll it round like so. Just get in there. Keep the pressure on with your thumb. The spring will let go. Let's get in there. Bit over half done now. We're getting there slowly. That spring seriously wants to jump out of there, but getting down towards the end. It's winding, it's getting tighter and tighter. Gradually getting it in there. Winding it round. There it goes. Drop back in. Now, next step, using our pliers once again, put them on the end of the spring and turn it clockwise. Right through. Okay, that's winding all right now. Now the last step is putting the cap back on again. Make sure you've got it up the right way. That's the top there. That's not. Push it down towards the bottom a little bit so that it fits in. Then putting it in a smooth jawed vise, press the jaws together slowly, release it, turn it round a bit more, tighten it again, come back the other way, tighten it, loosen it, keeping pressure with your thumb all the time. There we go, that's got it. There it is, neat all the way round. There we have it. Spring removed, taken out, cleaned, greased, put back in again, ready to roll.